Hi everyone. Let us see the next example. Points P, Q, R and S. Divide the line segment joining the points A1, 2 and B6, 7 in 5 equal parts. Find the coordinates of the points P, Q and R. Once see the diagram. Line segment. This is A1, 2 and here B6, 7. Points P, Q, R and S. Divide the line segment into 5 equal parts. So this is P, this is Q, this is R and this is S. There are 5 equal parts. This is 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. 5 equal parts are divided. Find the coordinates of the P they are asking. P point I have to find out the coordinates of point P. Here P divides the line segment in the ratio AP is 1 point and PB. AP by PB. AP is 1 unit. PB. Here PB is how many units? From here to here 1, here to here 2, here to here 3 and here to here 4. So 4 units. So the ratio P divides AB is 1:4. Ratio AP is to PB is how much? 1:4. Using this ratio and the points A and B, we will find the coordinate of P there. Using which formula? The section formula. Therefore, the coordinates of P is formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. These are the coordinates. Section formula is this one. Here m is 1:4 means this is m and this is n, and here it is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So here m is 1. 1 into x2 is 6 plus 4 into x1 is 1 by 1 plus 4, comma 1 into y2 is 7 plus 4 into y1 is 2 by 1 plus 4. This is 6 plus 4 by 5, comma 7 plus 8 by 5. 6 plus 4 is 10 by 5, comma 15 by 5. 10 by 5 is 2, comma 3. This is the coordinate of P. The same manner, coordinates of Q, coordinates of R, coordinates of S also we can find it out. Coordinate of Q you find out. Ratio you see, AQ by QB. AQ from here to here. How many parts are there? 2 parts. From QB, how many parts are there? 3. So the ratio will be 2:3. So the Q coordinates will be mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. These are the coordinates. So here m value is 2 into x2 is 6 plus 3 into x1 is 1 by 2 plus 3, comma here 2 into 7 plus 3 into 2 by 2 plus 3. 12 plus 3, 15 by 5 sorry. Then 14 plus 6, 20 by 5. So these points will be 3, 4. Right? In the same manner, R coordinates, how to find it out? R ratio will be AR by RB. AR is how much? Up to AR. This is 3 points by 2. 3:2 ratio. Therefore, I am not writing the formula there. You note it down in your books. Now, according to this one, R equal to 3 into 6 plus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. Then, here 3 into 7 plus 2 into 2 by 3 plus 2. Now what is the formula here? 18 plus 2, 20. 20 by 5 is 4. Here 21 plus 4, 25. 25 by 5 is 5. R coordinates is 4, 5. In the same manner, S coordinates, once you take it out, coordinates of S is equal to, S means here up to S. Up to here 4 parts. From A to S is 4 parts. S to B is 1 part. So ratio will be 4:1. Then 4 into 6 plus 1 into 1 by 4 plus 1, comma 4 into 7 plus 4 into 1, not 4. Here 1 into 2 by 4 plus 1. So it will be here 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. 11 by 5, comma here 4 sevens are 28 plus 2, 30. 30 by 5 is 6. 1 minute please. 4 6 are 24 plus 1. This is 25 by 5. So this answer will be here 5, not 11. 5 by 5 comma 6. Therefore the coordinates of P are 2 comma 3, Q is 3 comma 4, R is 4 comma 5 and S is 5 comma 6. Thank you.